Okay, this is the Unbox, the Fumoto drain plug that's for my 2008 Chevy Tahoe. It works the same way as the one for the 7.3, which is a F111, but I just wanted to show you the packaging and how it came from Amazon. So it comes with this little package, says FumotoUSA.com. Rip that off, unpackage it out of the plastic bag. It's got pretty good packaging. This, people have asked, is a hard plastic gasket that replaces the crush washer on your drain pan plug right now. And that's just going to go right over that right there. And you're going to screw it on with your wrench right around here. Here's the retaining clip that stops this lever from moving while you're driving. So the retaining clip comes off, fits around that lever right there. And the lever basically lifts up, lifts down like that, goes in this little slot, lifts down, out of the way like that, and you can see that the flow goes the same direction. See that? The flow goes the same direction as the original plug, so it's not going to fly all over the place. And then when you close it, you can see a ball bearing goes over the top of it there. So that just screws right on and replaces it, and I'll add that to the video on my other Fumotos. Oh, and also, once you have it clipped shut so there's no draining, the clip goes back over it like this. And I showed you that on videos, and then that way the lever won't move. Obviously you can see I got smashed by one of my jack stands earlier doing some maintenance, which we talk about, bloody knuckles auto maintenance. So I'll show you this once I install it on the 08 Tahoe. Okay, so I'm draining the oil out of the Tahoe, and what you'll notice with the Fumoto is once you get the Fumoto in there, it takes a lot longer to drain the oil out. It's a smaller pathway for the oil to take. So this is just straight with the plug out. Okay, so I got the old drain plug off. I got the Fumoto in. It's kind of square, so you're going to need an open end wrench to get at it. This one takes a 17 mil, but the other ones may take a different one. And I had to get this crossbar, this sway bar's in the way, so I've got to kind of angle it to tighten it. And you don't need it. It's just like the other drain plug. There's no torque spec, but you don't need to crank it down on there because that crush washer is going to crush, and that's basically going to stay there. You probably want to get it into a place where you can move this lever, and it's still taking the same pathway as the original drain plug did. My original was leaking a little bit because somebody had hammered it down there with, this is on there pretty tight. So now when I want to change the oil, I'm just going to pull the lever down, move it, let it drain out. It's going to drain out much slower than the old one, but I hate busting knuckles under here getting that job done. Okay, this is round 2 of the Fumoto on my Ram 1500 5.7, and I'm just going to take the retaining clip off again. Put it to the side. Hopefully this time it'll be a little less painful than it was the last time. And it comes out pretty slowly, especially when it's thick. So I just let it drain for a while. Okay, with these Fumotos it takes a little while longer, so it's now started to go down to a trickle, so we're just about done. I'm going to flip the lever and shut it. So there, now it's shut, and I'll just clean it off a little bit, and then I'll put this retaining clip back on it. Hopefully that's easy to do. Yeah, you guys see the retaining clip maybe right there, and that stops that lever from, and I haven't lost it since the last 5,000 miles I drove it, so it's pretty good. Okay, this is a video of the Fumoto drain plug on a 2015 Honda Fit. And there it is installed, and I'm changing the oil for the first time on it. I'll get back to you when I'm draining it out. You can see the little black clip on there, and it's going to make it much faster, except for this video. Okay, and we took the little retaining clip off of the Fumoto drain plug. I'm just going to put that away, and then I'll pull the lever. It doesn't look like it's been leaking. Possibly because we're burning up a ton of oil. Okay, now it's pretty well drained out, and I'm just gonna flip the lever back and wipe it off. Like I said, it doesn't look like it's put this retaining clip, I don't know if you can see that. It says Fumoto drain clip on it. Put it right back over the lever. Hopefully don't drop it in the oil. And that stops that lever from coming out. And bada bing, then we go back up top.